Hey guys, have you ever run into the issue where you've exported some data from a system and it's got some blanks, so you won't be able to filter this properly? So let's try filter for Bob. We know that these first four rows here are his sales. So if we click on the filter, select Bob, and we can see it's only picking up one. And that's because it's not actually detecting that these are Bob's sales as well. So a quick way of getting around that is to fill in the blanks from the Bob cells. So to do that, if you highlight A and B, the shortcut key is F5, special blanks, or if you want to go through the menu, go to home, find and select, go to special and blanks again, click OK. And now we want to select or put in a formula that is equal to the cell above. So if you type in equals, hit up on the arrow key and then hit Control Enter. You can now see that we've filled in all the blanks with all the data from the above cell. So let's try filter for Bob again. And now you can see it's picked up his 4 sales. Hopefully this helps and saves you a bit of time.